Welcome to Code Pro Code. In our previous video, we are successfully created our payload is our user DTO and our repository, our JP repository, or user repository. It will extend JP. We are going to create our service. For that, we are creating our interface called UserService. In this interface, we are writing our methods using user DTO, not our main entity. So we can write here we can our service annotation user to know JM. It is this class is service. Okay, enter. So after that, use user DTO create user DTO is for our creating user. We are writing the methods. We are implementing it another package. Okay. After that, user DTO on create update user. For that, we need integer ID so that we can find the user entity. So for that, we need integer user ID comma user DTO. Then write delete user DTO delete user ID user so in that we need ID teacher user ID user ID. We need two more methods. Find user by ID. Find all user. For this, we need list of user DTO and all users. We another method we write user DTO and user by ID. Here we can write integer user ID. Okay. We're just writing the methods here. We're implementing it another package called service implementation IMPL. Here we can create service IMPL. We can create a class is just implementing the service. User service. We have to add all implement all methods. So here all methods are here. just change name or user service. Okay, so here is our method. We have to write logic, but this is our user data. To send this or save this in database, we need user or entity. But this is our user data. We have to convert it into user, then save it, then another convert it into user data. For this, we need model mapper. Model mapper. For converting this, we are adding the model mapper dependency in our project and play with them in the next video. Okay, bye.